Hey, welcome back to another video. I have two little mini silicone babies that I'm going to take out of their mold. This one here is my newest mold that I've made. I turned my boy into a girl, so they both are anatomically correct. I'm going to take her out of the mold and I'm going to do it very, very carefully. This is the first baby that I've made in my clear mold. So I'm going to see what it looks like. I did have some spilling issues because I did not do the mold correctly, but I'm glad I was able to actually make a baby out of the mold. So I patched up the mold itself, so hopefully with my next baby it'll be a lot better. So I did end up getting some bubbles. I have a few bubbles on the hands and on the ears, but it's nothing that I can't fix. At the end you will see what they look like once I fix the seam in the back, fill in the holes that they have, and take off the pour spout. So this is a really, really fun process in taking them out of the mold because it's just a surprise seeing what they're gonna look like. So I have a little foot that I need to fix. Both of the arms or both of the hands have a bubble in them or a hole. So I'm going to fill them in with some silicone that I am going to mix up that I saved, so that way it's the same exact color. And just a little bit of patching up to do, but nothing too bad. So I'm really happy that at least the first mold, the first baby came out good. So that is definitely a good sign. I'm going to put my mold to the side, and now I'm going to take out my baby boy mold. So this one, I have used this mold a few times and I know I have no problems with it, but I also had some spilling or some seepage with this one as well because I did not seal the back properly. So kind of sucks. That made me get some little air bubbles in the hands. But like I mentioned, I just get a little bit of that mixture, mix it up, fill in the holes, and the baby is perfect because it just blends in so seamlessly. So I'm going to take him out, and this mold is a little bit more, it's a little bit thicker, more durable compared to my clear mold. But these are my first two babies that I am going to sell. So I can't wait to show you what they look like once I paint them. Maybe I'll do a more in-depth painting process once I get them all cleaned up and ready to go. So hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you enjoy seeing my little babies being born. I do want to make them twins. So it did not want to come out. But I'm glad that his feet were nearly perfect. So these are my little silicone babies. They are so cute. I love the coloring on them. This is a special little mixture that I created, and they are super squishy. All right, so I'm gonna just get them cleaned up. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. Nice and cleaned, and look how smushy and adorable they are. All right, so these are the babies all cleaned up. I have their pour spot removed, the top of the head filled in a little bit, and all the little air bubbles filled in, and the seam in the back filled in. So they are perfect and ready to go. I'm going to put some matting powder on them, and let's get ready to paint them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.